Okay, fine. Just okay. So let me log into the server. So yesterday we discussed about the creation of CDS. Okay, and we have discussed just how to basic creation of CDS followed by inner join. Okay. So these are the two CDS that we have created yesterday. Fine. So in this first thing, we have just written from VBAK and used some of the fields, and we used an alias name. Okay, as a standardized procedure, guys. It is not mandatory, but it's a recommended way. Okay, and followed by for every CDS, this is the name of DDL, data definition language. This is the name of SQL view. Okay, in backend, if you want to see the CDS, you need to use this name. Using SC11, you can view this thing, and you're using SC16N or any of the transaction SC11, you can execute the CDS. Okay, in versions prior to 1709. Okay, prior 1709 and prior. Okay, you can't use SC11 to view the data of the CDS. Okay, you can't use SC11 to view the data of the CDS. Only SC16N is the recommended way to view the data of the CDS in the backend. Okay, in the prior versions, but now in latest versions from 1909 or 1809, you can view the data using SC11 also. Okay, so in next example we discussed, this is the CDS which is of just we used an inner join, guys. Just we used an inner join. Okay, now I'm going to create one more CDS which, okay, I'm going to create one more CDS which is of same inner join, plus I'll use one more left outer join. Okay, let's see how it behaves. Okay, I'm going to create same type case. Okay, just I'm going to add one more join. So I'll copy this and create one more. Okay, so now simply I'm going to my package. Okay, simply I'm placing it. See here, right click, I'll just place duplicate, just nothing but copy duplicate. Okay, just it will copy, and with reference to package and what is the name it is referring. Okay, just I'm using next name some number and say saving under the same tr, guys. We'll save all these things. Okay, now here first thing is, see here, just I copied, you'll get immediate error. See here, cds this is the object of view type created in this means it's showing it is already existing with this name. Change this name. Okay, I'm changing this name. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm just changing my naming as per the standard. Okay, fine. Okay, so this is the things. For example, guys, just a question in between. For example, I created a CDS with this name, define view. Okay, or with any SQL view I change. Okay, define view. Now customer want, okay, no, don't create with this name, some naming standard has missed or any code review, create with this other name. Okay, name should rename it. You can't do renaming, guys. You can't do renaming. Once CDS is created, you can't do renaming. Only thing is create new one, delete the old one, that's it. Copy the old one to the new name and delete the old one. That's it. Once the view is generated, you cannot rename the view names. Okay. Hope it's clear, guys. Fine. Now I'm going to use here left outer join. Okay. Left outer join. Okay. Followed by I'm using a VBKD table on, sorry, first I'll specify as sales business data. Okay, on sales business data dot VBLN should be equal to sales item followed by VBLN. Okay, and I'm just using and sales dot posnr equal to sales item dot posnr. That's it. I used a left outer join. Okay, I used a left outer join for business data, but the combinations here I'm not relating through header field. I'm also relating header and followed by item. Header and followed by item. Now here I'm just using sales business data dot okay bst kd something. Okay, instead of this bst kd I'll just use some dot bst kd customers purchase order type. No, bst kd, this is the customer reference date, customer reference. Yeah. Okay, bst kd as customer purchase order. Just I'm giving some example. Okay, now saving till this point and activating it, guys. Okay, now if you here I'm going to just to show you SC16N VBKD. I'm going to VBKD. Okay, and just executing, guys. Okay, see here there are only few records based on the item. Most of the records are based on the header. Most of the records are based on the header, guys. They see here only few records which are based on the item. See here there is a till this point. When I double click on it, item number is 0000. Item number in this is 000, means it is an only based on header. What is the functionality of VBKD is business data is if once header data is been entered in the sales order, if there is any change in the item of business data, then only it is going to create explicit record for items. So here in this case sales order, there is no difference between header and item data. So it creates only header record. There will be no item record. There will be no item record explicitly. So since that's the reason, if you see here, I used left outer join. Let's see how it behaves in this case. Okay. Now once activating it, okay. Now executing, just executing F8. What happened? Just see here. If you see here, the record is blank. The record is blank means there is a record called 6000 something 20001. Just example, there is a record number 10, item number 10 in VBAP. It doesn't found a record in VBKD. It doesn't found a VBKD. Still record is getting. Still record is getting, but the VBKD field is blank. But the VBKD field is blank because we used a left outer join. Left outer join means left table. Which is the left table for this? VBAP. Whatever the records get it from VBAP, get it. Okay, if record found, we'll get the data from this particular VBKD. If record not found, we'll not get blank record, but it will not stop getting of records itself. Hope it is understood VBKD concept. Sorry, left outer join. If simply I'm just making this as inner join. Okay, just to make show how output behaves. Okay, inner join. I'm activating here. Can now see the records how it changes. Only the records which are matching it will get it. Sorry, still not refreshed. Inner join VBKD. Okay, just activating still. Here it's showing it's at the status bar. See here CDS is activating. Okay, still it's, you can differentiate by status, or it can be differentiated as this also tab. If it is been italic format, if it is in activation mode, it will be in italic format. It taking time, not sure. Should not take this much time. It's a basic CDS. Okay, see here, activation finished with warning. That's okay, not an issue. Now executing. Now see here, you got the numbers, less numbers. See the 2 0, that all things gone. Some of these things only which have the records in the VBKD, that only it will fetch. Only records which has in VBKD, that only it will fetch. That is the concept of inner join. Maybe this is blank in VBKD. That's the reason it is getting. Okay. If you go here, let's see, just for comparison sake. Yeah, there is a blank. See here, there is a 10 record with blank value. So that's the reason with the 10 record it is there. So that's the reason it is bringing it, and it is blank value is there. So but only common records with this key combination it is getting. So that's based on the functionality you need to implement that way, guys. So just I'm using again back to left outer join. I don't want inner join. I don't want common records. Even though there is no record in VBKD, I need to get the data. So I will get left outer join. Means all the records of VBAP have to get. If record found in VBKD, get it. Else, no problem. Just the value should be blank. In that case, left outer join. Okay. Hope it is clear. Left outer join concept. Vice versa, right outer join. Vice versa, right outer join. Okay. Simply again, I'm using same table. I can use multiple times, guys. Okay. Nothing going. Same table I can use multiple times. In say in regular in your regular ABAP select, or in this also. Okay. But I'll just change alias name. Same I'm using sales order business header. Just okay. Here the relation will be same, but POSNR I'll make it as 0000. Means only get it header record 56 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 000. Here I'll just use alias sales business head dot bstkd. Okay, as so I need to use customer purchase order header. Okay, just to differentiate some field, activating it, guys. Okay, the reason I want to show is the record will not exist with the item, but it will have with the header. Okay, even though doesn't have, doesn't matter. If it is a left outer join, if are found, it will get this key value. If doesn't found, it will be blank. You are not going to impact any other functionality. Not happen. Activation is not done still. Okay, now simply I'm executing it, guys. Now see here, this is the field. Okay, with 10 record, there is another field customer. Even this is also blank. Even this is also blank for most of the records. The value may be not entered in the sales order level. Okay, just a minute. Or we'll do one thing, just to make sure to get proper records. What I'll do is underscore sales. Okay, I'm just adding a where condition, sales order dot auart. If I want to add where condition, just add at the last auart should be equal to ta. Okay, just a minute, guys, just a minute. Okay, sorry guys. So just I'm adding a where condition. Okay, for now, just I'll remove this. Okay. Okay, now I'm activating it. Execute. Okay, you got it. Records, some records. Still the purchase order is blank. Maybe the sales order itself it's blank, guys. We can't do anything. Let's take one order, 51, just to compare. Is that value coming or not correctly? Super. Okay, somebody has done some enhancements. That's okay. VBKD. Sorry. SC16N. VBKD providing a sales order number. I'm just unselecting all the fields. I don't want to check all the things. I want only Weblen, POSNR, BSTKD. That's it. Just to check is this value is existing or not. Customer reference BSTKD. Yep, there is there 51 record 51 with item 00. Just a minute. 6 zeros. The record is existing. Test. The value is test. It should come. Let's see what happens. Okay, 51 record. Okay, customer purchase order. Oh, header record has not came, guys. Let's see what happens. Okay, POSNR business data. Okay, there is a wrong combination. So yeah, I used different alias. It's our mistake. Okay, I used alias previous one, guys. Okay, just again activating. Okay, execute it. Now you got here customer purchase order. Yes, you got so many purchases here. The records, some of the records may not existing in the item, but it is existing for header. All the things has came. See here. Some test data, it is dummy. Don't worry about the data. Just I want to show it how it works. Even though item with item there is no record, but still it is getting record with blank value of that corresponding table field. So left outer join. That is the concept of left outer join. Any questions on this, guys? Left outer join. I just used removing the where condition for now, guys. I don't want to restrict with the condition. I don't want to become generic CDS. Okay. Any questions on this till this point? Okay. Now, if you go here, okay, this view, okay, and see the backend how it is created in the backend. Go to S11, select it, display. Now see here, if I go to the table joins, see here VBAK, VBAP, VBAD, VBKD. You done these all joins. You done these all joins in your CDS. That all things nothing but a view is created in backend like a joins. How you create database view? This is a DDL view, source view. Okay. Now see here you joined using this particular VBKD, VBL, and all this. What are the joins you specified? That all things will be appearing here, guys. And these are the view fields, which are the fields which you specified as a part of your CDS. Okay, like this it will be created in the backend. You can see from the backend what are the tables also involved in this particular CDS. Hope it's clear. Any questions on this? Any confusion on left outer join? Okay, so now the next concept we will move on to is associations. Okay, similarly associations is also like an left outer join, but there are unique features compared to the associations. Okay, so what are the features we'll discuss now. So first thing, the behavior of the association is like a left outer join. Okay, behavior when it comes to data retrieval, it behaves like a left outer join, but it acts like an ad hoc relation or on demand relation. What is mean by that? Okay, for example, in case of left outer join, or in case of, sorry, somebody, hello, okay, in case of left outer join or in case of right outer join, any type of inner join, any type of joins. Okay, once you have made a join to that particular table, you may consume the fields of that table or not, doesn't matter. It is going to hit that particular database at the time of retrieval of data, at the time of retrieval of data. Okay, for example, in this case I'm using inner join VBAK, left outer join VBKD, left outer join VBKD. I'm not referring to any field of this particular, let assume. I'm not referring to any field, just I'm commenting it. Okay. So, and I'm not referring to any field with this alias. Okay. Means this alias is referring to what? VBKD. Even though you are not referring to any field, still you used a left outer join. So obviously at the time of retrieval of data, it is going to hit the database irrespective of it, irrespective of it. For example, if I activated this, okay, okay, now if I go to the backend, still you may use, may not use that fields of that table, still it shows here, see here, VBKD, okay, has been referred. See here, still this relation exists like that only. So in case of joins, once you used as a part of your join, then automatically it is going to hit the database in case of any type of join. Whereas in associations, it is little bit different. It is like an ad hoc relation. It is mean by ad hoc relation. What is mean by ad hoc relation? Okay, if you used any table as an association, if you used any table as an association, okay, then if you consume the fields of that particular association table, then only it is going to hit the database. Okay, if you, just listen guys, if you consume the fields of that association, then only it is going to hit that particular database. It is going to hit that particular database. Let's see how it behaves. Now see, I'm just writing a syntax. I'm going to create a new CDS. Okay, I'll just create a new definition. Define view, yes. Okay, fine. It's automatically okay, fine, no problem. I'll just check. Okay, now I'm going to use this SA sales order ORD 04, some name I'm using. Okay, based on, okay, ORD 04. Okay, these all things I'll keep as it is. So